This facility builds tunnel boring machines, some of the largest and most complex machines ever engineered for underground construction.
Thousands of precision machine parts are assembled by human specialists to create a machine capable of cutting through.
Safety is paramount here. Now, let's explore the main assembly area.
This section needs to withstand the most pressure.
The hardness seems consistent across the surface.
The cutting disc bearing is lubricated and then sealed, ensuring maximum durability for continuous underground operation.
Flatness is within spec on this section. Tolerance checks out here as well. All right, take it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Holding steady, bringing it down now. I'm seeing some minor porosity on this weld here.
Yep. We should mark it for secondary review before sign off.
A smooth pan reveals hydraulic thrust cylinders laid out in parallel, each capable of pushing the TBM forward with thousands of tons of force.
Laser alignment stabilizing. Bringing it down 5 millimeters.
Looks good. Rotational balance achieved.
Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment. Almost there. Hold it steady now.
The Cutterhead assembly is complete. The machine is now ready to begin the operational phase deep inside the tunnel.
Monitor the torque closely. It's starting to fluctuate.
Acknowledged.
We've got a pressure spike. Reduce the thrust now.
Rotate clockwise, slowly.
Looks good. Set it down. Tension released. This edge wear is excessive for only 300 hours.
The caliper reads 0.5 millimeters past tolerance here.
We need to increase the advance speed immediately.
Copy that. Moving lining installation into position now.
The vibration readings are spiking on sector 4. Okay.
We need to slow the rotation immediately.
Copy that. Adjusting power flow now.
Check the torque levels on section 3. We might need a slight adjustment.
Acknowledged. Increasing the steering correction now. Okay, bring it forward now.
Hold it steady, I'm checking the seal. Monitor the torque settings closely as the segments align. We need to ensure uniform pressure across the ring. Torque is holding steady at 40 kilonewtons.
Good. Keep the thrust pressure consistent.
Alignment check complete on my end. How's the tension?
Tension is normalized. We are clear for full load.
Lift 5 centimeters, watch the clearance on the right, hold it there. Okay, secure the locks.
We've reached the target advance distance for this section.
Ring completion verified. Sequence locked.
Torque is spiking on the lower quadrant.
Adjusting the thrust pressure now. Keep an eye on the advance rate.
Watch the flow on conveyor 2, slight blockage forming.
Copy that, adjusting speed now.
Pressure stabilized. Try increasing the flow rate now.
Copy that. Adjusting slurry mix.
This joint right here, the deviation is slightly high according to the scan data.
I see it. Documenting the discrepancy now.
We're drifting slightly to the left. Adjust trajectory by 0.1 degrees.
Correction initiated. Bringing her back center. The scan confirms 40 meters advance. Conditions look good here.
Confirmed. Logging the progress now.
Alignment checks confirmed.
Good. The erector arms are engaging.
We have green status on segment 6.
Locking sequence confirmed. Ready for the next push. Alignment confirmed. Diameter accuracy verified. Structural integrity is green.
Cut the last bolt now. Taking the strain. Stand clear.
The pressure is dropping. Compensating now.
Steady, hold it steady. Watch the clearance on the right side. Heads up, pulling this cable now. Watch the left side.
Safety metrics are holding steady, and the boring rate increased by 10% this quarter. This puts us in a strong position moving forward.
Human engineering, planning, and discipline allowed a machine of this scale to carve safely through the earth.
Like, comment, and subscribe to the Gen Artisan for more cinematic documentaries about giant machines and industrial engineering.
The tunnel stands as proof of human ingenuity and machine power, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together.